Class 11 students, I am doing compound angles. This is the continuation class. I am doing it from Shah and Shah book, Kollani Publishers. The question already given to you in the last video. We have to prove that cos A plus B equal to, from this triangle, this is angle A, this is angle B. Now cos A value base by hypotenuse and cos B value here base by hypotenuse, that value you put here. Sin A perpendicular by hypotenuse, sin B perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sin A from here, sin B from here. Put the value, see it will cut and will be 0. Now this sum, you consider this as A, this as B. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, that is formula sin A plus B. If you add this, it will come 30. Now sin 30 value half, so right hand side also half, so it is proved. Sec A given, cosec B given, so draw A one triangle and B another triangle. Sec means hypotenuse by base, so by Pythagoras theorem find 4. Here also 13 by 5, cosec means hypotenuse by perpendicular, and find base by Pythagoras theorem. Now sec A means 1 by cos, sec means 1 by cos, cos A minus B formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now cos A you find from this triangle, cos B from this triangle, sin A from this triangle, sin B from this triangle. Put the value and do calculation, you will get answer. This is A, this is B, so sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, that is sin A plus B. You add this, this will come. So 60 minutes, that is equal to 1 degree. So 29 degree plus 1 degree, that is 30 degree. And sin 30 value is half, so right hand side has come. Now this one you see, this one keep as it is, and this one cos A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A minus B formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this minus and plus cancel, so cos 120 cos alpha, cos 120 cos alpha, so 2 into cos 120 cos alpha. Now cos 120, take cos alpha common, cos 120 you can write 60 plus 60, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now put the value and solve it, it will be 0. So this one take left hand side, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, the formula is sin A plus B. So 5 theta plus 2 theta 7 theta. Right hand side you take sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, that is sin A minus B 7 theta. So left hand side and right hand side both are equal, so it is proved. This one you break down, sin B minus C formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Then next one also you do sin C minus A formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, here sin C cos A minus cos C sin A. Here also break down sin A minus B formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B here. Now multiply this one inside, this one inside, this one inside, and see it will cut, plus minus it will cut, so it is coming 0. Right hand side also 0. Now for this sum, you have to prove this one, you have to start from here. We know tan 30 degree equal to tan 140 minus 110. Why I have taken this? Because in the sum 140 and 110 is there. Then put the value of tan 30 1 by root 3, and here tan A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Now do cross multiplication. See, the proof has come. This sum also you have to start from here. We know tan 45 value 1 and tan 45 can be written as 18 plus 27. Why do I write this? Because in the sum 18 and 27 are there. And then apply tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Then do cross multiplication. Then the proof has come. This one you try to understand. That's all for this video.